Good morning, student. Today in this session I am going to tell you some important questions which are based on the theorem 10.7 and related to your exercise 10.2. So let's see the questions of the based on theorem 10.7. So question second from your exercise 10.2. Question second is, if two equal cards of the circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segment of one card are equal to corresponding segment of the other cards. So according to the question, what we want to prove here, so we want to prove that the corresponding segments are equal. Means here the AX and DX are two segments. So how we prove it? Let's see the proof of the question second. So solution of the question is, we draw OM perpendicular on AB and ON perpendicular on CD. So AM is equal to BM is equal to 1 upon 2 AB. And Dn is equal to Cn, that is equal to 1 upon 2 AB. But AB is equal to CD. This implies that 1 upon 2 AB is equal to 1 upon 2 CD. Now we can say that AM is equal to Dn, equation number first, and Bm is equal to Cn, equation number second. From this, and in triangle OMX and triangle ONX, angle OMX is equal to angle ONX, that is equal to 90 degree, because OM is perpendicular on AB and ON is perpendicular on CD. And OX is equal to OX, that is the common side, OMX and ONX, and we draw the line from the center to X, this. So OX is equal to OX is the common side, and OM is equal to ON, equal perpendiculars, equal perpendiculars. So by RHS congruence rule, triangle OMX is congruent to triangle ONX. So MX is equal to NX, equation number third. Adding MN in one and adding equation 1 and 3, we get MAM plus MX is equal to DN plus NX. This implies that AX is equal to DX, and BM, and subtracting question 2 and 3, we get BM minus mx is equal to cn minus nx. This implies that bx is equal to cx. Hence, ax is equal to dx and bx is equal to cx. Hence, proved. So, let's see the question of the classwork. So, question of the classworks are: question first, AB and CD are two parallel chords of a circle such that AB is equal to 10 cm and CD is equal to 24 cm. If the chords are on the opposite side of the center and the distance between them is 17 cm, find the radius of the circle. So, it is based on the question 2. Now the question second. AB and CD are two chords of the circle such that AB is equal to 6 cm and CD is equal to 12 cm and AB parallel to CD if the distance between AB and CD is 3 cm. Find the radius of the circle. So both questions are same. You can solve it. If you have any problem, so you consult to me. Thank you so much.